Tom here, FlipAnythingUSA. So on my channel I share how I made my fortune in real estate, buying property one at a time. Today this is a little Landlord live series. I'm kind of doing it on the fly. Can't do the regular meeting tonight. Sorry guys and gals. But I'm just going to give you what's transpired over the last few days. Several jobs I got going on and things that are happening. And hope you enjoy it. Be sure to get the book. We're signing up the next mentorship here starting next week. See you. Hey, Tom here, flipping things. So I got a lot going on today. I'm replacing a spiral duct. You see, this is going through the kitchen. And there's all kinds of varying quality of spiral duct. Just get the commercial stuff, it's the best. Just a much tighter seal. Everything is a lot better. Also on this particular job, I'm replacing the windows. You can see new windows. It makes a heck of a difference. The only fallback is, one of the things you have to do is you have to rip all your sheetrock out. If you use existing window sizes that they have at Home Depot and Lowe's, you're lucky if you can. I am. Minor adjustments. Sometimes they're an inch taller than I need or an inch shorter, but we can work around that. Same with the sliding glass doors. There's a similar normal size, but see, I'll knock out all these windows. I don't think I'll spend $3-4 grand on this house. Maybe a little more on labor. But on the basic windows, probably only, maybe $4 grand of materials at the most. And, another couple grand in labor, but the curb appeal is so much better. So, but know that you don't have to go to a window company. You can do these things yourself, or you can at least buy the windows and have somebody else install them for you if you're not very handy. Of course, I have a crew and I've been doing this stuff my whole life. But that's what's happening at this moment. All right, so I got another repair here. I think I was looking at this a while back. I got Antonio, my concrete guy, on it. So we got some old trees that were way too close to the house at one time. The trees have been long gone, but we're just taking out the broken material. You can see there's still swelling of the roots and things, and the old stumps that are there, they're still alive. They're connected to the tree next to it. So, I'm not going to cut or touch it because the trees are too valuable. Look at that tree, big, beautiful tree. I'm not going to do anything to damage the tree. We are just going to re-pour the concrete around the roots that you see there, just so that we can continue to have this swale take water away from the side of the house and out where there's no chance of it, infiltrating the house. But just more, got to take care of your property, just keep it maintained. Oh yeah, we got some wasp out here we have to get rid of. I tell you, if you think you're sneaking up on a wasp, you're not. You move around, you see their heads turning. They're following you, they're watching you. So this is another job. We're prepping to paint. And in here we had some drywall work to finish up. You can see, we just got to skim it and blow some texture. We put a new door. Doors are really a piece of cake to put in, and for the most part. And so you can see we ripped out this old door, and it's just not worth screwing with an old door sometimes. But sometimes it's worth keeping an old door and saving it. So it just depends on the quality of the door. But yep, so I'm just going to job today. Got plenty of people working on different things, and just another day in the landlord life. Hey, this is kind of interesting. This happened about, 12 years ago. But take a look at this tree. It got hit by lightning. See that split? I remember when this thing got hit, I could see through that crack right here. I could just see all the way through it. But yeah, that was just a hard hit, man. It was split way up. And but anyhow, that's the wound that it was left with that you see right there. Anyhow, we're going to go ahead and tree seal that. We're going to, get pruning seal and get that all filled in. And we're just trying to tidy up everything. This one's going to be up for sale in about 2-3 months. So I'm back with Antonio, and as usual, he does a great job. You can see the swale. If you remember that the other day, it had cracked because of the growing stumps where it had been cut off before because it was affecting the slab. And of course now it looks great. You can see from yesterday or a couple days ago when I took a video for you guys. But yeah, so it looks good, and it's going to take the water out. That's the main thing. So next trip, next time. We got tree seal now on the lightning damaged tree, so that's done now too. So just going through the checklist, getting everything tuned up. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please visit FlipAnythingUSA.com. Take a look at my book. It's an audiobook now too. Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Be sure to subscribe and share. Thanks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoy sharing it with you. So be sure to get the app. If you don't have it already, you can get it free on Android or pay $20 to get it on iOS. Do the best money you ever spent. It'll take you further along. You'll be able to share and catalog your properties, and it'll just make you a better, more organized investor. Thanks for watching.